Alright, Fuzz the Pie Guy back again. You're looking at a garage door opener here for one garage door. But I noticed we got some spaces here for some more switches. So what I might do is, or what I'm going to do is unsolder this, because I want to hide this. So I'm going to solder some wires onto this and see if I can actually use this one button garage door opener for my two garage doors by adding another switch. So I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Soldered some wires on there. I'm going to trim them up a little bit. Maybe throw down some glue or something after I know everything's up and working. But yep, there we go. I'll be back with the next step. Okay, I just added some little shrink using my little old school blowtorch soldering iron thing from back in the day. So cut them excess wires off here and make it look a little better. Alright, I'm back here. Went ahead and put some shrink on there and stuff, and got it programmed. They both work. Soldered 2 leads here to that switch that was there, 2 leads to that switch that wasn't there. So now both of my garage doors are programmed to this board that was only meant to be for one garage door. So just want to come up with something here, add some switches to the other end of here, and figure out what I'm going to do. So I'll be back. Alright, now that we've got the momentary switches here, some nice little switches, I'm going to go ahead and drill some holes for them here in this plastic lid here. I got to figure out a spot. Then I'm going to just put this in the bottom of this and go from there. So I'll be back here with the finished product. Alright, this is it. So we mounted the switches, put the circuit board in there, a little bit of double-sided tape to hold it down, a little bit of glue there to hold that in place, and all we need to do is close it up. There we go. Finished product. Good for 2 garage doors. Nobody knows what it is. Kind of keep it hidden in their car or whatever, or something like that. Don't look like a garage door opener. And keep your garage a little more secured from the bad people. Alright, thanks for watching.